And I tell you guys, it is extremely addictive. You need it. So if someone is wondering what's been going on with me, that's what's going on. I just came back from my lovely holidays in Slovakia, and it was beautiful weather and everything, and I'm trying to get back to normality. It's always hard. I've been away for a long time, so now I'm back. I've got few news for you as well. We have got new products launched in May. I'm obsessed with one product which is inspired by Bitter Peach from Tom Ford. I love it. I'm obsessed. I've got one box here, 993. Yes, so I've been using so far only a sample of it because I'm saving this box for one lady, and I'm waiting for tomorrow's delivery in stock. I've been waiting for it forever. I can't wait to get my hands on it. So I've been using only a sample of it, and I so love it. It's so good. It's delicious, guys. I said it smells like peaches in a basket in Dubai. When you're wearing this, you're gonna smell rich. It's luxury in a bottle, right? It comes in a bottle like this, okay, with number 993. It's amazing. They've done a really good job with this one. I just love this so much. So that's one news. Yeah, I've been smelling all the new samples. We've got 7 new royals, but this one is the best. And let me just quickly tell you the notes in 993 Pure Royal from FM Federico Mahora. So in the top we've got peach, cinnamon, cognac, delicious. Heart, jasmine, plum, heliotrope, and in the base we've got vanilla, patchouli, balsamic notes, and it's type of extremely sensual, addictive, and I tell you guys, it is extremely addictive. You need this in your life, basically. So yeah, that's a tip from me. 993 Federico Mahora, inspired by Bitter Peach, Tom Ford. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about this because I will just go on and on for ages. So yeah, you need to have this in your life. Okay, guys. So that's that. 993. It lasts me all day long and more. I sprayed it at 3 p.m. and next day at 3 p.m. it was still there. I could still smell it. Amazing. Longevity is amazing. I could still smell it. Like, it's amazing compliment getter. Women ask me all the time. I only use the sample. Women ask me all the time, what are you wearing? You smell so nice. Guys saying, oh, you smell nice. Everybody loves it. Projection, amazing. I smell it on me all the time. People smell it on me like from, I don't know, 2 meters away. Just amazing. I love it. Projection, longevity, and overall, I just can't get enough of it. The good thing is I smell it on myself. Wherever I move, I just smell it on me. I don't have to sniff to the skin. It's just there, and I love it. I can bath in it. So we're doing really well. Thank you for your patience with my long stories today, and I wish you a nice evening today. Bye.